Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Today I want to share some example sentences using the word Simjang, which means heart in Korean. Let's take a look. 심장이 빠르게 뛰고 있어요. The heart is beating fast. 심장 소리가 너무 빨라서 무서웠어요. The heartbeat was so fast that it scared me. 심장이 강하게 뛰기 시작했어요. My heart started beating strongly. 심장이 갑자기 멈출 것 같았어요. It felt like my heart was going to stop suddenly. 심장이 너무 아파서 병원에 가야 했어요. I had to go to the hospital because my heart hurt too much. 심장 건강을 위해 매일 운동해요. I exercise every day for heart health. That's it for today. I hope these sentences help you learn how to use the word 심장 in different contexts. See you next time. 다음에 또 봐요.